Huh?
Do you want to put some in there?
Person.
Hey, watch out! Watch out!
Okay, part 3. Part 2.
What's this? Ah! What's this?
No, that was part 1.
Ah!
Part 2. That was that.
Ah! Oh no, we killed a sheep. Well, at least we got some meat. Let's eat.
Yum.
Hey, a horse. Let's go. Let's ride on this tiny island. Woohoo! Hey, what's that? Well, whoa! Let's go inside. Hey, beds.
No.